Well, it was time to upgrade some equipment. I looked around a lot, settled on this one from Hilco. Let's take a look. I do mostly medium frame honey supers. I do a few deeps. I was looking specifically for something that would do between 9 and 12 frames. This is the Hilco 9 frame minimax. And we just kind of like the features of it and the price point. Customer service seems to be outstanding. So we thought we'd go with this one. Let's take a look, see how they packed it. It was delivered within 2 days of me ordering it. I'm in southern Ohio. They're in central Illinois. They shipped it almost immediately. The very next morning it went out FedEx. Let's take a look and see how this thing is packed. Top is definitely packed with the expanding foam and plastic. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. This thing was very well packed. Even got bubble wrap around the extractor itself. Expanded foam in the bottom of the box, corner protectors, expanded foam above it. If you're not familiar with this, this is a 3-phase motor with a worm drive gearbox. Nice controller, still runs on 110. I really liked all those features about it. Okay, you do get a separate box. It has your legs in it. So we're going to go get our tools and go ahead and install these. Now the hardware is in a bag down here in the bottom of the extractor. Which includes, to finish this up, there's your gate, there's your O-ring, there's your thumb screws, and then the hardware to put the legs on. So let me go grab some tools here and we'll get this buttoned up. Well, the legs went on real easy. Got the honey gate on, and we plugged it in. The controller came right on. There's your on-off switch. You can hear the fan come on. We're going to open this thing up. There you go. And we have about 2 dozen honey supers ready to pull. So we're getting ready to clean this thing up and give it a first workout here, probably in the next 2 weeks. Okay, for deep frames, which we do run a few deeps, they slide right down in here. You will have to pull them up, flip them around. This is a really nice compact unit. Let's see. This is a big step up over our 4-frame hand crank model. I'm not going to do hand cranking ever again.